Hi all, after an interval of few days, I am back with a video tutorial on Oracle. In this video, I'll discuss about Oracle database structures and Oracle instance. So, the topic will be 1. What is database? Second, how database is formed or the structure of database. And number 3, what are database files? Number 4, what is Oracle instance? Number 5, understanding Oracle memory structures. Number 6, what are the background processes involved in Oracle instance? And number 7, what are the difference between Oracle database and instance? So these are very important concepts to understand and learn. So watch this video completely, and after watching this complete video, if you think you have learned something from my video, you give like, comment over this video if you have any comment to share, and also subscribe my channel RK Softacademy. So let's start the video. So we'll discuss first what is database. Okay, so the database is a collection of information and in the organized manner, and it is basically the collection of tables which are stored in the database, and these tables are designed in a relationship. So in a short, the database is the collection of information in an organized manner. Okay, fine. Now, how database is formed or the structure of database. So a database consists of two major components. One is database storage and second is database instance. So an Oracle database consists of two major components, one database storage and second is Oracle instance. Okay, so we will discuss about Oracle database storage and instance one by one. Now the database storage. What is the database storage? The database storage is a set of files which are actually stored in the disk. Okay, so these files physically stored in the disk, and the data actually physically stored in these files in the disk. So what are the database files there in Oracle database? So we will understand now what are the database files exist in the database, Oracle database. So there are many database files which are exist in Oracle database. So these files are stored in the Oracle storage area, that means disk. So these files are data files, control files, redo log files, backup files, archive log files, parameter files, password files, alert log files and trace files. So all these files makes the Oracle database storage. Fine. Now I will discuss about Oracle instance. So what is Oracle instance? An Oracle instance is made up of two components. One is memory structure and other is background processes. Okay, so what is actually Oracle instance? When we start an Oracle database, an Oracle instance is created and it actually stays in the memory of Oracle database, or it loaded into the memory. Okay, now an Oracle instance basically a program, or it's a binary. So it, when it loaded into the memory, the data will be read from the memory, not from the disk, because the disk, reading data from the disk is compared to slow than reading data from the memory, or we can say reading data from memory is faster than reading data from the storage or disk. So when a database is start up, an Oracle instance is created and it loaded into the memory. Now the Oracle instance consists of two major components. One is memory structures and another is background processes. So in the memory structure we have SGA and PGA. So what are SGA and PGA? SGA is the system global area and PGA is the program global area. Now we'll discuss SGA and PGA in detail in my next video. You continue watching my video from today onwards. Now background process consists of many processes. The processes are, which are the important, those are SMON, that means system monitor, PMON, that is process monitor, DBWN, that is database writer, LGWR, that is log writer, and CKPT, that is checkpoint. So all these background processes are very important to understand, and we'll discuss one by one in coming videos for each of the background processes. So Oracle instance I completely described here. So if you have any question on this, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll discuss on those topics. Now, so we have understood that what is the database files, what is Oracle instance, and understanding Oracle memory structure. So as I discussed, Oracle memory structure consisting of SGA, PGA, and background processes. Now the next is, what are the background processes involved in Oracle instance? So I already told that what are the background processes involved. Now the next is, what are the difference between Oracle database and instance? So here this question is very important, understanding Oracle database and Oracle instance. So Oracle database, basically the data storage, database storage, and which resides in the disk. Okay, so and it contains the database files, all those files which I already covered. And when a database is start up, an Oracle instance is created and loaded into the memory. So an instance always created after database is started up. Okay, so if there are many databases, for each database is started, an Oracle instance will be created. So multiple databases creates multiple instances. Okay, now the database is stored in the disk storage. Okay, but the instance exists in the memory. Okay, so database is stored in the database is stored in the disk, and instance is stored in the memory. And the database can exist without the instance, and an instance also can exist without the database. So after creating instances, if the database, there is no existence of database, still the instances will run and it will be exist. And if the instance is stopped, still the database will exist in the disk. Okay, so each can exist independently, Oracle database and Oracle instance. So these are the differences between Oracle database and Oracle instance. So if there is no instance, we cannot access the database, but it can resides on the disk. Okay, so these are the main differences between Oracle database and Oracle instances. So all these topics is covered in this video. I think you understood all these topics well, and if you have any question on this video, you write in the comment section. I'll discuss that in my next video. So that's all for this video tutorial now, and thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.